Lesson: Future trends and developments. Artificial intelligence is increasingly becoming an essential tool in the realm of cybersecurity, particularly in incident response. The integration of AI into incident response frameworks promises to bring about transformative changes by enhancing the speed, accuracy, and efficiency of detecting and mitigating cyber threats. Future trends and developments in AI for incident response are poised to redefine the landscape of cybersecurity, offering unprecedented capabilities and introducing new paradigms for defense mechanisms. A critical trend in AI for incident response is the advancement of machine learning algorithms. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time without explicit programming. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that may signify cyber threats. For instance, deep learning algorithms, which are designed to mimic the human brain's neural networks, have shown remarkable proficiency in recognizing complex patterns within large datasets. By leveraging these capabilities, cybersecurity systems can detect previously unknown threats, often referred to as zero-day exploits, which traditional signature-based detection methods might miss. Another significant development is the use of AI in automating incident response processes. Automation can significantly reduce the time it takes to respond to cyber incidents, which is crucial in minimizing damage and preventing further attacks. AI-driven automation can handle repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as data collection, initial analysis, and even some aspects of threat mitigation. For example, AI can automatically quarantine affected systems, apply patches, and update firewall rules, allowing human analysts to focus on more complex tasks that require their expertise. This not only enhances the efficiency of incident response, but also helps in addressing the shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals, a persistent issue in the industry. Furthermore, AI is revolutionizing threat intelligence by providing more accurate and timely insights. Threat intelligence involves collecting and analyzing information about current and emerging threats to help organizations defend against cyber attacks. AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including dark web forums, social media, and threat databases, to identify potential threats and predict future attacks. By utilizing natural language processing, AI systems can understand and interpret human language, enabling them to analyze textual data and extract relevant information. This capability allows organizations to stay ahead of cybercriminals by proactively identifying and mitigating threats before they can cause significant harm. The integration of AI in incident response also brings about the development of more sophisticated predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future events, and in the context of cybersecurity, it can predict potential security breaches and their likely impact. By leveraging AI-powered predictive analytics, organizations can identify vulnerabilities and prioritize their remediation efforts based on the potential risk. This proactive approach not only enhances the overall security posture, but also allows for more efficient allocation of resources. However, the advancements in AI for incident response are not without challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for adversarial attacks on AI systems. Adversarial attacks involve manipulating input data to deceive AI models into making incorrect predictions or classifications. For instance, cybercriminals can craft malicious inputs that appear benign to AI systems, thereby bypassing detection mechanisms. To address this, researchers are developing robust AI models that can withstand adversarial attacks, but this remains an ongoing area of research. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI in cybersecurity cannot be overlooked. The use of AI raises concerns about privacy, bias, and accountability. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, which often includes sensitive information. Ensuring the privacy and security of this data is paramount to prevent misuse and unauthorized access. Additionally, AI models can inadvertently perpetuate bias present in training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. It is crucial to develop ethical guidelines and frameworks to ensure that AI is used responsibly in incident response. In conclusion, the future trends and developments in AI for incident response hold great promise for enhancing cybersecurity. The advancements in machine learning, automation, threat intelligence, and predictive analytics are transforming the way organizations detect and respond to cyber threats. However, it is essential to address the challenges associated with adversarial attacks and ethical considerations to fully realize the potential of AI in incident response. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of cybersecurity, providing more robust and effective defense mechanisms against an ever-evolving threat landscape.